Dear students, now we are in the topic of circles. In yesterday class, we completed theory concept of exercise 1D. Theory and concept of exercise 1D. Now, let us discuss the last sum of examples, page number 58. Page 58, example 2, it is IMP 4 marks sum. IMP 4 marks. Example 2. Find the locus of midpoints of chords of contact. Find the locus of midpoints of chords of contact of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Find the locus of midpoints of chords of contact. Find the locus of midpoints of chords of contact. Midpoints of chords of contact of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square from the points lying on the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. The locus of midpoints of chords of contact. So locus of midpoints we should calculate. The two in the way chords of contact, midpoint of chord formula S1 equal to S11. So we should calculate the equation of chord having midpoint as S1 equal to S11. Yesterday I said proof also. Using that S1 equal to S11, we will get an equation. Depends upon that equation, the condition what he is giving from the points of lying on the line. So a line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 is there. Let us draw the line like this. This is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. This is the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. From this line, if we draw chords of contact, how can we draw chords of contact? From the line, so many points are there on the line. From that points, we should draw tangent to this circle. From an external point, we can draw two tangents to the given circle. S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 is a given circle. So whatever the tangents intersect the circle in two distant points, the points of contact will be formed. The line segment joining to the points of contact is called as a chord of contact. Put midpoint here. Maybe midpoint M1. In the similar way, using another point on the circle, draw a diagram like this. This is a chord of contact. This is M2 midpoint. M2. In the similar way, join like this. This is the chord of contact. This is M3 like that. The line segment, the locus of like this. Locus of midpoints. So it is nothing but what it is happening, it is in the way of polar. So poles lie on the line Lx plus My plus 1, Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. He given the question indirectly from the points lying on the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Locus of midpoints of chords of contact is nothing but a polar. So pole lie on the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. If you know the indirect concept, you can understand the sum easily. Now given circle is x square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Equation of chord having midpoints. Equation of chord having a midpoint. So px1 comma y having a midpoint px1 comma y1 is S1 equal to S11. Having midpoint Px1 comma y1 is S1 equal to S11 notation. S1 notation xx1 plus yy1 minus a square for this circle. S1 notation xx1 plus yy1 minus a square is equal to S11 notation x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Minus a square will be getting cancelled. So you can write this one as xx1 plus y1 minus of x1 square plus y1 square equal to 0. Now let us discuss about the pole formula. Pole of a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Pole of circle x square plus pole of line with respect to circle. We write it is better way. Pole of line with respect to circle. Pole of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with respect to circle. Pole of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with respect to circle. X square plus y square is equal to r square. We had written, I said the proof also, minus ar square by c comma minus br square by c. Using that formula, you can write here pole P is equal to, this is ax, a means here x1, b means here y1, c means minus of x1 square plus y1 square and r square means a square. So now you can write minus a, so minus x1 into what is r square? A square by minus of x1 square plus y1 square comma this is minus 1 into a square by minus of x1 square plus y1 square. So pole you can write as a square x1 by, this is x1, a square x1 by x1 square plus y1, x1 square plus y1 square comma a square y1 by x1 square plus y1 square. Here by condition we have the pole lie on the line. By condition we have so the points, all the locus points lie on the line. We have P pole lie on the line. The lie on the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. These are locus sums. Students, already we said that x square plus y square equal to 2a square and y square plus 4ax equal to 0 and this is x. This is another locus sum. 3 locus sums are important in exercise 1D concept. Of course in objective also. Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. That implies now we should substitute the x1 y1 value instead of x here. A square x1 by x1 square plus y1 square plus m into a square y1 by a square y1 by x1 square plus y1 square plus n is equal to 0. That implies, therefore by taking cross multiplication we can say that required equation of locus by eliminating the x1 comma y1. Required equation of locus you can write as a square into, you can take like this, a square into Lx plus My plus n into x square plus y square plus n into x square plus y square. A square, this is also important question. A square into Lx plus My plus n into x square plus y square is the required equation of locus. Whatever the locus is given, whatever the points lie on the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0, the locus is a square into Lx plus My plus n into x square plus y square equal to 0. Direct bit given in MSET 2013. Now we have completed successfully the theory concept regarding exercise 1D. Now let us discuss some problems in exercise 1D. Model wise I want to discuss with you. Exercise 1D. First question. Here I want to give a schedule to you like this. First Rama 1, 5, 9, 11, 13, 15. Second Roman 1, 4, 6, 7, enough. Second Roman 1, 4, 6, 7. Third Roman 1, 2, 3, 5. 4 you do. Find the condition that the tangents. Find the condition. Find the condition that the tangents. Find the condition that the tangent drawn from 0, 0. Find the condition that the tangent drawn from 0, 0 to the circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. From 0, 0. Condition of tangents drawn from origin to the circle S equal to 0 or perpendicular, put here P 0, 0. Plenty of times we discussed like this angle between tangents of circle is tan theta by t is equal to r by root s11. Whenever the tangents are perpendicular, theta is equal to 90 degrees. So tan theta by 2 becomes 1 because theta by t is equal to 45, tan 45 is equal to 1. Then 1 is equal to r by root s11 and r is equal to root s11. We can say directly r square is equal to s11. Since I am writing the formula, angle between tangents, tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Simply write here theta is equal to 90. That implies condition you write directly r square equal to s11 is condition. R square equal to s11 is condition. So what is r square here? For the circle, general circle, r square formula g square plus f square minus c is equal to s11 means of course it is nothing but c because this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Substitute the value 0 instead of x and instead of y, then becomes it is only c. So g square plus f square equal to 2c. This is the level 1 11th bit for object y at this one. Next, fifth one. Find the polar of 3, minus 1. Find the polar of 3, minus 1. This is 3. 3, minus 1 with respect to the circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to 11. With respect to circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to 11. To calculate any values for the circle, you should divide with the coefficient of x square and y square. It is called as standardization. Of course, with the standardization, otherwise by doing or not doing standardization also you can get the polar using the formula directly s1 equal to 0. So directly you do If you do standardization also, at last you should take LCM. So now you write the equation of polar. Equation of polar formula S1 equal to 0. That formula is nothing but like this: S1 equal to 0, 2xy1 plus 2y1 minus r square equal to 0. So this is the notation. This is 11. That implies 2x into 3 plus 2y into minus 1 minus 11 equal to 0. So polar you can write as 6x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. That's all. Now let us write 9th question. Find the pole here using the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 model. Find the pole of the line 3x x minus 2y plus 22 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 22 equal to 0. WRT means with respect to the circle. With respect to the circle, x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6. X square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6. Minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. Given circle I am writing. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. Here I am writing as 2g. 2g is equal to minus 5. G is equal to minus 5 by 2. If you want minus g, it is 5 by 2. 2f is equal to 4. 2f equal to 8. 2f equal to 4, f equal to 8, minus f equal to minus 4. Write the formula. R square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So what is g square here? 25 by 4 plus what is f square? It is 16 minus c means minus 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 for the 40, 40 and 25, 65, 65 by 4 is the R square. Remember the formula of the pole. So using the line Lx plus My plus n model, let us write a given line also. Later we can write pole formula. Given line of the form Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. It is x minus 2y plus 22 equal to 0. Here you write as L is equal to 1 and M is equal to minus 2 and N is equal to 22. Write the pole formula. Pole is equal to minus g plus Lr square by minus g plus Lr square by Lg plus Mf minus n comma minus f plus Mr square by Lg plus Mf minus n. So that is equal to the value minus g is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus L is 1 into R square is 65 by 4. 65 by 4 by, so it is nothing but 1 by Lg plus Mf minus n. What is Lg? So L is 1 into G means 20, 5 by 2. G means minus 5 by 2 plus Mf. M means minus 2 into F. F value 4 minus N. The N value is 22 comma minus F. The value minus F means minus 4. Minus 4 plus Mr square. M means here minus 2. minus 2 into 65 by 4 whole by this model minus 5 by 2 minus 2 into 4 minus 22. So we can write here as 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 65 by 4 into here taken LCM 2, it becomes in numerator by this is 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8 and 22, 8, 22, 30, 32s are 60. So here you can write 2 taken that side, 65, it becomes minus 65, comma, you can write here minus 4. In the same way, of course you can cut it minus 2 and 2. Minus 4 plus of minus 2 into 65 by 4 into here the 2 LCM, and in the similar way this is minus 65. So you can get the answer, calculate it. Now let us write 11th question. Show that the points. Show that the points. 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 5. 4 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 5 are conjugate. 4 comma 2 and 3 comma minus 5 are conjugate points with respect to circle. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Formula, condition of conjugacy. Condition of conjugacy is S12 equal to 0. If the circle is of the form x square plus y square equal to r square or x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2f plus equal to 0. For anything, if 2 points given, if 2 points are conjugate, the formula is S12 equal to 0. The S12 notation, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2, g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. That implies, now using the notation you can write 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 5 plus g means there 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 4 plus 3, okay, minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into 2 minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. We'll get, don't write equal to 0. It becomes, this is 12, 4 3s are 12 minus this is 10. This is 4 plus 3 7, 7 3s are here 21 by 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 5s are 15. This is 15 by 2 plus 1. So 12, 1, 13, 13 minus 10, 3 minus 21 plus 15 minus 6 by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, given points are conjugate. Enough. Otherwise, you can write given points are conjugate with respect to given circle also. Now, 11 completed, 13. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. If x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, comma 2x plus ky minus 8 equal to 0, R conjugate with respect to circle. R conjugate with respect to circle x square plus y square minus 2x. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. If the lines are conjugate, I am giving detailed explanation to you because this is 4 marks IMP's question. Given circle S equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Calculate 2g as minus 2, 2f as minus 2. So g you write g equal to minus 1, f equal to minus 1, r square equal to g square plus f square minus c. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Given lines, first line x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Think it is as L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0. So L1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 1, N1 equal to minus 5. Next second line 2x plus ky minus 8 equal to 0. Think the line as L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0. L2 equal to 2, M2 equal to k, N2 is equal to minus 8. Remember the condition of conjugacy of the lines L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0 with respect to circle is R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. That implies. Substitute the value whatever we had written here. R square value 3 into L1 L2. So it is minus 2 plus M1 M2. L1 L2 it is 2, not minus 2. It is 2 and M1 M2 is k. 2 plus k. This is L1G L1 L2 plus M1 M2. So close it. Is equal to L1G. What is L1 means 1. So it is minus 1 plus M1F. So it is also minus 1. L1G plus M1F minus N1. So it is plus 5 into L2G. 2 into minus 1. It is minus 2. M2F. So it is minus K. Minus N2. It is plus 8. Using the formula, you can write here 3 into 2 plus K equal to, this is 5 minus 2, this is 3 into 8 minus 2, 6 minus K. 3 can be getting cancelled. You can write here 2 plus K equal to 6 minus K. So 2 minus 6 equal to, of course, K equal to 4, minus 2K. Okay, K is equal to, minus K taken this side, minus 2K, 2 minus 6 equal to minus 2K. So minus 2K is equal to minus 4, K is equal to 2. Another question is there. Students, 15th question is there. You do the work, I think you can do it. 15th question, write the formula S12 equal to 0, the notation x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus c equal to 0. You do yourself. Okay, next. Let us discuss about second Roman first question. Angle between the tangents from 3, 2. Roman number 2. Find the angle between tangents drawn from 3, 2. Find the angle between tangents drawn from 3, 2 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2. Minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. The angle between tangents of circle, we have discussed the formula tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11 is angle between two circles, two tangents of circle. Angle between two tangents of circle, this is the rough diagram. This is full theta. So what is S11, what is R? S11 is equal to, substitute the value 3, 2 directly in the given equation. It becomes 9 plus 4 minus 18 plus 8 minus 2. Don't write 0. 9, 4, 13, 13, 8, 21, 21 minus 20 is equal to 1. Next, what is the R? R means root of g square plus f square minus c. So you can write here, this is 9 plus 4 plus 2. This is root 15. Students put this is IMP 2 marks question. IMP 2 marks. That implies you can write the formula tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. It is 1 by root 15. So you can write here theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 15. R by root s, no, reverse I have written. R by root s1 means root 15 by 1. Root 15 by 1. So it becomes tan theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse root 15 by 1. Directly connect simply root 15. Theta by 2 is equal to tan inverse root 15. Or theta is equal to 2 tan inverse root 15. This is the way to write the angle between tangents of given circle. If the answer he given in cos theta, then you should use the formula, or I am writing. Of course this is right. If you want to answer, if you want to check the answer, you write the formula like this. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of tan theta by 2? Root 15. Root 15 square 15 by 1 plus 15. 1 minus 15 minus 14 by 16. Here minus 14 by 16. So it is equal to minus 7 by 8. So theta is equal to, you can write cos inverse of minus 7 by 8 because it is acute. So theta is equal to, you can write as theta is equal to cos inverse mod you take. Better to take mod because the angle is acute inside of the triangle. So cos inverse 7 by 8 you read. This is IMP 2 marks question. As cos inverse answer and objective bit also. If he given sine terms for object, I am saying, you should write the formula sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now using this one, 2, 3, second, third questions you do. So fourth question I want to discuss here. Roman number 2, fourth question. Roman number 2, fourth question is a locus sum that to objective level 1 get. Roman number 2, fourth question. Locus sum. Find the locus of P if the tangents x square plus y square is equal to a square include an angle alpha. In your objective material, all the questions whatever I am discussing with you in level 1 matter or IPE matter, he given as a synopsis. This is also in synopsis he given. Roman number 2, fourth question. Find the locus. Find the locus of P if the tangents. Find the locus of P if the tangents drawn. If the tangents are drawn from locus of P, if the tangent drawn from P, drawn from P to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square by a square include an angle alpha. Include an angle alpha. Find the locus of P if the tangent drawn from P to the circle include an angle alpha. So what is P? Of course this is nothing but P. x1 comma y1. You should calculate the locus whatever the point making an alpha. So the tangents makes alpha degrees with this P. Find the locus of P if tangents are drawn from P to the circle include an angle alpha. So P locus you should calculate. Now I am writing as let P x1 comma y1 be any point in the locus. It is original term. First of all what we should write. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point in the locus. Any point in the locus. Now simply you write the formula tan alpha by 2 is equal to r by root s1 1. What is r means here a. If the point x1 comma y1 substitute here, it becomes s1 as x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. Right here x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. That implies taking cross multiplication. We better to do squaring both sides. So we can write x1 square plus y1 square. x1 square plus y1 square minus a square into tan square alpha by 2. Tan square alpha by 2 equal to a square. That implies x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to tan square alpha by 2 taken right side, it becomes cot square alpha by 2. A square into cot square alpha by 2. Minus a square taken this side. So you can take common as you can put here x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square into 1 plus cot square alpha by 2. Therefore, required equation of locus. Eliminating x1 comma y1 you can write as required equation of locus is x square plus y square is equal to a square cosecant square alpha by 2. A square cosecant square alpha by 2. Of course, this is a circle, depends upon the alpha value. So you can draw like this here, rough diagram. Px1 comma y1. This is also a circle. The locus of the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square into cosec square alpha by 2. This is a CUQ 7th question and level 1 question and synopsis also there. So remember the formula. The locus of circle, the locus of tangents locus of P, if the tangent drawn from P to the circle which includes an angle alpha, the formula is x square plus y square by a square plus x square alpha by 2. Directly I will say in objective. Next to Roman number 2, sixth question. Find the polar. This is also, I think, in level 1 homework, 33rd question. 6th question. No, 7th question is level 133. 6th question model also is there in level 1. Find the slope of polar. Find the slope of polar of 1, 3. Find the slope of polar of 1, 3 with respect to circle. With respect to circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Also find distance from center to it. Also find distance from center to it. Also find distance from center to it. It means here the polar. So first of all we should calculate the equation of polar. Equation of polar. Whenever you calculated equation of polar, then you will be getting the slope as minus a by b form. Equation of polar formula s1 equal to 0. The notation xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1. The g means here minus 2 into x plus 1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. It is the notation. Now you can write here as x plus 3y minus 2x minus 2 minus 2y minus 6 minus 4 equal to 0. That implies x minus 2x is minus x and this is y. Minus x plus y minus 2, 6, 8, 8, 4, 12 equal to 0. This is minus 12. So x minus y plus 12 equal to 0 is the polar equation. So slope of this line using the formula minus a by b. So it becomes minus 1 by minus 1 is 1. So slope is 1. And also he is asking distance from center to this line. So C is equal to the center using the formula minus g comma minus f. Perpendicular distance. Whenever he given point to line distance is always perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from center 2, 2 to line. Line means here polar. To line x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. Remember the formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here modulus of ax1 means 2 minus 2 plus 12 over modulus plus 12 over modulus by root of 1 plus 1. So 2 got cancelled, 12 by root 2, 12 by root 2 you can write as 6 root 2 units. This is the perpendicular distance from center to the polar. Now let us discuss 7th question. This is a very easy question. Some students used to get confused. In Roman number, in level 1, 33rd bit maybe is there. Objective bit, that is only for object I am saying now. It is very easy question. If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the polar. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the polar of 1, 1 with respect to circle. Polar of 1, 1 with respect to circle x square plus y square minus 2x, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, and HCF of, this is extra notification, HCF of A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C equal to 1. A comma B comma C equal to 1, then find A square plus B square plus C square. For every number HCF is 1 comma 1 comma 1 students. So there is no need to get any confusion. Simply find the polar at 1 comma to the given circle and compare with the ABC. Simply find A square plus B square plus C square. That's all, it is enough. Some students may get confused. That is why I am telling the question. Given circle. Given circle x square plus y square minus 2x. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now you write here polar. Polar of you write. Polar of the point he given as 1 comma 1 formula is S1 equal to 0. The notation of S1 equal to 0 is xx1 plus yy plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y plus c. Like that you also pronounce and write while writing the notes. X into 1 plus y into 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 1 into y plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Next step you write x plus y minus x minus 1 plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here x and x will be getting cancelled, minus 1 will be getting cancelled. So you can write here this is a 2y plus 1. So this is of the form, whatever the value he given. This is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, you can compare here, you get a equal to 0, b equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. For these numbers, he is discussing with us that HCF of AB is equal to 1. If he given or not given also no problem. Of course, the HCF is 1, that's all. Now, find. So, you should calculate now. Find A square plus B square plus C square as 0 square. So, A is 0 square plus 2 square plus 1, that's all. 0 square plus 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 5. Simply 5 is the answer. This is the objective question. In exercise 1D, Roman number 1, Roman number 2 have completed. Okay. Let us discuss the Roman number 3 questions in next class.